All right, we're at the field here with the Dynam Tucano. Retracts, flaps, full house, the works. We're running on a 4S battery right now. It's going to be the first maiden test flight here, so let's see how it goes. Going to go half flaps, throttle cut off. Wind's a little bit crosswind right now. Make sure she taxis straight. It sure does look good, and the props are painted with yellow tips, and with this sun angle right now, it is super visible and really cool. I'm gonna do a little bit of trimming here on that, a little bit of left rudder, and I think we're gonna take off right to left here. All right, here we go. Retract's coming up. Does have gear doors for the nose gear. There we go, everything is fully up. Okay, let's see about trim. Looks like we need a little bit of up. Give it a few clicks here and there. A little bit of left aileron. And that was basically it. Couple more on the elevator. So here's a vertical climb. Lots of power rolling at the top. Just about unlimited vertical there. Nice fast roll rate. That is on basically full high rate right now. I did set up dual rates just in case it was too much and I could reduce it to control for a little bit, but I like high rate with a little bit of expo. It's just kind of how I'm used to flying it. Ooh, inverted flight's real nice. Doesn't take a lot of down elevator. Come in for a nice low inverted pass here. It's a little bit risky on the first flight, but there we go. Yeah, this thing handles great. I was still at half flaps, so I'm gonna put the flaps all the way up and just get this thing fully clean. Now we do have the ordnance installed, and those are removable, so if you wanted to make it a little bit faster. So here's a full speed, high speed, clean pass. So if you want to clean it up even a little bit more, you can remove the bombs, get a little bit more speed out of it. But that's not bad, this thing looks great. Handles well. See some aerobatics here, snaps. Snaps really good, comes out nice and precisely. A little 4-point roll. 3, 4, man, that's nice and smooth, super easy. Do a slow roll. Yeah. I mean, it's not, not a full pattern plane, but it certainly does fly pretty precise, especially for a warbird. Let's see if knife edge, there's full rudder. Looks like it holds it pretty good. I think I was at full stick there. Let's try it in, coming from right to left here. Let that torque help us out a little bit. Yeah, it'll hold that knife edge pretty good. Not a lot of coupling there, pretty easy to handle. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and go full flaps. Let's just see what this would look like for a landing. I might have a little bit too much down elevator mixed in. Have to pull some up. So I was just guessing on the amount of mix. I'll need to reduce the down elevator. Not too bad. All right, we'll go ahead and come in from left to right. We're gonna drop the gear on this pass. Make sure everything comes down like it's supposed to. Here we go, flip the switch. All right, gear's coming down nicely. It is mostly crosswind, so I'm gonna come in kind of over our shoulder here on the left side. See if we can get her on the ground. Nice. Well, there you go. Not bad for a maiden flight. The thing's pretty awesome. Looks good in the air, flies really good, smooth and precise. A few minor tweaks, and this thing's ready to go.